Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Flexbox. Apply the flex direction property to create a column in tweet embed. So in this tweet, we have to use flex direction property to create it in column. The tweet embed header and footer used the flex direction property earlier with row value. Similarly, the items inside the profile name element would work well stacked as column. So in case of profile name, we will arrange it in column by using flex direction to column, and that's how it looks now. So we can see that the profile name, this test case is satisfied. Profile name in that flex direction property is set to column. So run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.